It's time for the psyche challenge. Of course it is. Wait, why do we have less members now? Liam was on 2 teams at the exact same time. That doesn't make any sense. It's your fault. Fine. So, who's going first? I mean, it's time you finally coming for Sophie. Whoa! Yeah! So the something is to not die when going into the water. Yeah. I'll do it. Wee. It's actually quite easy. Let me make this more harder. I fixed it. I'm scared. I made it. I'm fine. Don't get too excited. Haha! You get it now. I survived. Go, Strawberry, my best friend. Well, they're going out, so wait it up. Yo! Both of them died. Robot. Get out! I finally win! We finally won. So it's time for the elimination ceremony. Why is my hat pink? Strawberry! This is elimination ceremony. Are you seriously kidding me right now? Beep, beep, beep. It's time for the elimination ceremony. Vote who you like to. Why is it countdown? Oh, yes, banana! Same. But it's all cool. I'm gonna vote for Tangerine. Strawberries are health benefits. So with that, banana is officially out. Good luck. Oh, wake up! Sorry. Yeah, so my name is Ron from T. I don't want to reveal my name. Ah! So banana's eliminated, I think. Algorithm basically Eric Holmes. Ah! Whoa. Wow, my hat is cool. Nice hat. No! Oh my god!